Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. We want to zoom into the microstructure here today because this is now all about identifying if a 5-wave move has started or not. At the moment it looks like that XRP only rallied in 3 waves here, so this would point towards another breakdown coming for XRP. The yellow wave count is the wave count that tracks a 5-wave move. As you can see, XRP off the lows has not rallied in 5 waves. We always need to see a first 5-wave move off a recent low to indicate that a larger uptrend has begun. I'm tracking it and we can give it the chance as long as XRP is holding 48.4 cents. I can tell you already now that it looks difficult for this scenario. It really looks difficult. And again, it's nothing I'm primarily following until I see those 5 waves. Those 5 waves are important because then the next pullback zone, let's say we get this 5th wave highlighted here in yellow, then the next ABC correction, which would also be a yellow wave count then because it fits to the 5 waves up, those 3 waves down then should give us an idea of how low should price go before it will turn around. So 5 waves up show that the trend might have shifted to the upside. The 3-wave pullback should then form a higher low. That is always likely after you get 5 waves up. And then we can formulate a support area, basically a trade setup. Until we have those 5 waves, the pattern is still very fragile. And it gets more and more difficult as it seems for XRP to form those 5 waves. As you can see, it's not following through. It starts to break below the ascending trend line. So I have put onto the chart a more direct bearish pathway. This one is very likely as long as actually the preferred one now because XRP just can't get that 5th wave. So let's say the white one, which gives us another low here below the Thursday low, that's the preferred one as long as XRP stays below a certain level. What level is that? That's going to be resistance. That's 54.59 cents. So basically 55 cents. As long as XRP stays below 55 cents, I'm going to add that resistance level here onto the chart. Another low is expected, because this is resistance for the white wave 2. As you can see here on the smaller time frame, the white wave count shows a 5-wave move to the downside. The wave 2 would be a 3-wave pullback into resistance, which might be unfolding right now, with an expected further downturn. So as you can see here, wave 1 in white might have finished here on Monday. A wave up, B wave down, and the C wave higher might be in the making now in this wave 2. Resistance for white wave 2 is 53 cents, 53.7 and 55 cents basically. And only above that level, I wouldn't assume we get that yellow 5th wave. Until then, lower is expected. And eventually confirmation for the white wave count would be achieved through a break below 48.4 cents. And eventually price should then, in this elongation or extension of that B wave, price should go below the Thursday low, so below 43 cents. Very important to understand that it's currently a key decision point here on the XRP chart. If the bulls can give us 5 waves, then, well, we get a signal that these 5 waves are happening if price breaks above 55 cents, and it could then reach 58, 59. If the bulls can do that, then we can formulate the next, let's say, more or less high probability trade setup. It's always a bit difficult on the XRP chart because XRP likes to move in 3 waves, which is also why I focus here on the white wave count, which assumes that XRP rallied again only in 3 waves. Even though it can rally quite significantly, I mean here that rally was off 43 cents all the way up to 56, but it often breaks down again. And all the hype around the court case anyway, everything has, in the profits that were made, they have been entirely lost again. So yeah, back to square one, back to the original plan, I would say. So yeah, that's my update about XRP right now. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.